up, yo?
Welcome to the 11th episode of You Know What Screws Us Up. Well, today I have some good news and some bad news. The good news is that school started. Not. And the bad news is that me and Homer Gogo didn't get any classes together. Out of 6 classes, plus 7 classes, we didn't get one class together. So, let's go see what Julian's doing.
Whoop whoop! I'm Homer Gogo and school was awesome today.
Hey, what am I doing here? Yo, mama!
What am I doing here?
What are we doing here? What? This is freaky.
Well, we got the You Know What Screws Us Up. You guys watch us and we got the views. You just had to rate, subscribe, and comment. That's it, guys. That's all we got for You Know What Screws Us Up today. I wish you guys enjoyed it, but we only got like a few seconds, but it was okay, right? No, it wasn't okay, but
I'll beat you up. I bleed. Sorry, boys, but I had to do this. Welcome to the 11th episode of You Know What Screws Us Up. So, I don't know what...
Oh, shit, I forgot. Did I forget? Penis. Oh, no, wait, I missed. Okay, let's go. Do it yet. Get down now. Get all the way down. Get all the way down now.
It's going. Oh my goodness.
3,